Hi friends, for our writing center today, you're going to need your gingerbread paper and a pencil and a glue stick and a pair of scissors. The first thing we're going to do is cut on the dotted line. We're going to cut out our gingerbread writing paper. So I'm going to cut along the dotted line. Cutting out. All right, I have that cut out. And I'm going to put my scraps to the side to throw away. Now, I'm going to use a marker to do this. Remember, Mrs. Newlands and I would like for you to always use a pencil. You're going to use the sentence starter. I like, L-I-K-E, like. I and like are both sight words. Now, you're going to think about the gingerbread stories that we've read. We've read the gingerbread man, the gingerbread girl, gingerbread baby, gingerbread Christmas, gingerbread man, the gingerbread cowboy. We've read so many different gingerbread stories. You're going to pick your favorite and you're going to write, I like, and then the name of your story. So you're going to think about one of the titles that I just said to you. And then you're going to use this fancy word because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, and you're going to write to tell us why. Now, I'm just drawing lines. You're going to fill it in. So I like, and then you're going to pick your very favorite of our stories. I'm going to go over the titles with you again. So remember, you can pick the gingerbread man, and we read two different versions of that. The gingerbread boy, gingerbread baby, the gingerbread man, gingerbread girl, gingerbread Christmas. You could also do the gingerbread cowboy. I don't have that book here at school. So you're going to pick your favorite and you're writing, I like, and then the name of your story, the title, because, and this is where you're going to tell us why you liked it. Maybe you liked the gingerbread girl because she ended up catching the fox. Okay, so think about your reason and tell us why. Now down here at the bottom, you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write by Miss Paranzino. Then when you are all done, friends, you're going to open your book and you're going to glue your writing in the middle. So we'll have our writing glued here in the middle of our book. All right, so I'm going to glue it down. Okay, friends, remember to do your very best. We should see best kindergarten handwriting and finger spaces between those words. We will see you back for writing time.